Install the foot support onto the track. Note, the footrest should not be installed upside down. Tighten the screws on the footrest. After flattening the webbing, insert it into the track. Thread the webbing through the front tube. Insert the front tube into the track. Ensure the groove on the pulley aligns with the guide rail on the track. Mount the rail onto the rear cover. Install it on the other side using the same method. Take out the spring and spring sleeve. Insert the spring into the spring sleeve. Insert the spring sleeve into the front tube. Pass the webbing through the pulley on the spring. The webbing passes through the pulley and is tied to the metal buckle on the front tube. On the other side, the webbing passes through the pulley. Tighten the spring. Secure the webbing. After the webbing on both sides is installed, plug in the power. Take out the remote control to test whether the sunroof's extension and retraction functions are abnormal. Remove the cover plate and install it onto the front pipe. Remove the screws from the rear cover. Open the rear cover. Remove the side rail shade panels and install them onto the rails. Reinstall the previously removed screws. Tighten the screws on both sides of the lower part of the rear cover. Remove the bottom beam and install it onto the foot support. Tighten the screw. Installation completed.